It is election time, and it's important to know your voting rights, whether you are a U.S. citizen or not. Our Law at Vegas Now expert Eric Palacios is back to explain. Take a look.
Eric, welcome back.
Thanks for having me.
Okay, let's talk about something really important. First, let's talk about the differences between a legal immigrant and a U.S. citizen.
Great question. Legal immigrant is anyone who has come into the U.S. In a manner that conforms with the law. You can do this with a visa. You can do it by petitioning and becoming a resident of the U.S. And then the goal ultimately for most is to become a U.S. citizen.
Okay, and I know it takes about 5 years to become a U.S. citizen, correct?
Correct.
And so can legal immigrants actually vote this election?
They have to be a U.S. citizen in order to vote. So if the person is a resident, that does not allow them to vote. They can be here 5, 10, 15 years. It doesn't matter. If they haven't gone through the process of becoming a U.S. citizen, then they are not able to vote.
Okay, and what other restrictions are there for those legal immigrants?
For those immigrants and also for any U.S. citizen that wants to vote, it depends on the state. Nevada and everywhere else, you need to be 18 years of age, at least on the day of the election. For Nevada residents to vote, they need to be in the state and county in which they want to vote for at least 30 days. Other jurisdictions have different requirements. Also, if you have been convicted of a felony, if you are imprisoned in Nevada, you cannot vote. Once you are released, you are able to vote again. States such as California, if you're released but are on parole, you still may not be able to vote. So it's important to check with your individual jurisdiction.
And speaking of individual jurisdiction, what about time living in Nevada? Do you have to be here for a certain amount of time?
Yes, you have to be in Nevada and in the county where you want to vote for at least 30 days in order to be able to vote.
Okay, well, very good advice. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
All right, we'll talk to you soon.
Thank you as always, Eric. For more information, give Eric Palacios and Associates a call at 702-444-7777. You can also easily visit their website at ericpalacioslaw.com. Las Vegas Now.